Hello everyone, welcome to Druv Online Academy. In this 30-day revision series, today we can revise research report writing and research presentations. To start with research report, a good research report has to be comprehensive, provide clarity to the reader and be accurate. Now we'll see the elements of a research report. Title. This section includes the title of the study, author's name, affiliation of the institution, date of publication or presentation. Then comes acknowledgement. This is to formally express gratitude to all those who have contributed to the research and supported the researcher. Table of contents. So here we have this table where all the chapters of the thesis are listed out and their page numbers are also mentioned. Abstract aims to give an essence of the entire research work. What is it about, how it was conducted, and all the important elements of this research work. Then comes introduction. So this part introduces the research problem. What is being studied? Why is it important? What is the need to study this problem at this point in time? Scope of the study. This gives the reader a clarity in the extent to which this particular research topic will be studied or explored. Next is literature review. So this part reviews the existing studies related to the research topic. This section will give an idea to the reader about the gaps in the previous studies and how this study is going to approach the research problem so that it will fill the existing gaps. Next is research methodology. This section includes the methods used in research, methods for data collection, methods for data analysis. This part also includes the time frame and the setting in which the research is conducted, about the samples, how are the samples chosen and what is the background of samples. All of these details are included in research methodology section. Analysis and interpretation. In this part, the results and the inferences from the results are discussed. And then comes conclusion. This sums up the entire findings of the research study. Next is suggestions, limitations and implications. Here the researcher can mention suggestions for future research work in that topic. If there were any constraints or limitations, that can be mentioned, and the researcher can also suggest some ways to overcome those in future research. When it comes to implications, the researcher will state how these research findings can be practiced in everyday life, how it can be applied to solve a real life problem, how it can help in decision making or policy formulation. Then references and bibliography. In references section, the researcher will cite all the sources that are mentioned within the research report. Bibliography is an exhaustive list of books, articles and journals, whatever the researcher referred or consulted for this research. In the appendix section, the researcher includes additional materials related to the study. For example, it might be a questionnaire used for the study, it might be some documents, photographs of historical documents, it can be some pictures or maps or any other supplementary material related to the research study. That's about research report. Now we'll see different forums where research works are presented. Here you can see a list of it: conference, seminar, symposium, workshop, congress and colloquium. Okay, we'll see one by one. First is conference. So conference is a formal meeting. It's a formal gathering which can go on for several days, and in this meeting, renowned people from industries, renowned researchers, academicians, scientists and even business people, they gather together and discuss a particular topic. They share their viewpoints and research findings are presented. Next is seminar. Seminar is more of academic in nature. Usually, educational institutions conduct seminar. They organize seminars on a regular basis. Colleges and universities, they arrange for these seminars for the sake of students. For the students to gain more knowledge, gain new knowledge and learn from the industry experts. An online version of it is known as webinar. Symposium. This is more casual and informal than other form of presentations where participants contribute and present, and it is usually conducted in a single day. Workshop. This gives a hands-on practice or hands-on experience for the participants. It focuses on application. It is application oriented and focuses on a practical skill. Then comes Congress. So this is a formal gathering or assembly of leaders and experts in a specific field. This is usually annual and this lasts for several days like a conference. The last one is colloquium. This is an informal academic meeting. It is very interactive in nature. Experts deliver lectures and students ask questions. At the end of the session, students ask questions and get their doubts clarified. So that's it with research presentation. Now we can revise some previous year questions. In which of the arrangements a wider spectrum of ideas and issues may be made possible? Research article, workshop, conference and symposium. Option C, conference is the right answer. In which of the following formats chapter scheme of the document has to be formally approved by a research degree committee in the university? Okay. Options: thesis or dissertation, B, seminar papers, C, research articles and D, research monographs. It is for a thesis or dissertation that we need an approval from a committee in the university. So option A is the right answer. Then a workshop is meant for A, hands-on experience, B, listening to scholarly lectures, C, learning with interaction, D, discussing over one's own work. Okay, workshop is for a hands-on experience. It is application oriented and skill based. So A is the right answer. Last question. A research report will contain A, financial accounts, B, prefatory parts, C, utilization certificate, D, title page, E, table of contents and F, terminal chapters. Answer codes are also given here. These are the options. This is the answer code. Okay, now we'll see. Option A, financial accounts, we will not include that in research report. So that is ruled out. Prefatory part is the introductory part, which is a part of the research report. So B is there. We do not include utilization certificate. So C is ruled out. Title page, table of contents and terminal chapters are part of the research report. So B, D, E, F. Okay. Here option A, B, D, E, F. First option is the right answer. That's for today. Hope this helps you. Please do subscribe to Druv Online Academy and watch the other videos in this 30-day revision series. Thank you.